So you're going to use this quick video just to help get you started, and then after you've completed the worksheet, you're going to use the answer key before uploading. So right now we're just starting to dive into characteristics of lines, and one thing is that we notice that lines have slope. So what that means is lines can have an increasing slope where they're going up, or lines can have a decreasing slope where they can be going down. It's important to know that we're reading them from right to left as we find slope. To find slope, what we do is we count the vertical change between the 2 points and the horizontal change. And so vertical change we're going to call the rise. So we just kind of count up, down, left, right to get to that point. So 1, 2, 3 would be my vertical change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 would be my horizontal change. And then I would always put my slope in simplest form, which in this case would be 1/2. So just to get you started with one example, I could pick any 2 points on this line to find the slope. I've already put in the red and green marks for you. So this run distance would be 1 unit. My rise distance would be 2 units. And so I'm going to put those into a fraction of 2/1. I'm going to simplify that if possible. That would simplify to 2. And so I'm going to write my final answer here. And so that's what you're going to be doing for this section of examples. In this last section, we're going to be looking at y-intercepts to see if we notice anything special about the y-intercept on a graph and the equation. So when you're finding the y-intercept, all you're going to be doing is you're going to be locating this point here where the line crosses the y-axis. And if you think intercept sounds a little bit like intersect, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the intersection of the line and the y-axis. And then we're going to be writing our points in this format x, y. So if we just do that first example, my y-intercept would be right here, which would have a coordinate of 0, -1. So that's what you'll be doing for this section.